This is Brian. We're gonna replace the 2013 Subaru Tribeca battery. So here's the battery right here. And we got a 10 millimeter wrench. You have to loosen this, loosen this, loosen this, and loosen this. So once we loosen those, we're going to pull the battery out and replace it with a brand new one right there. Right there. Here we go. Okay, so make sure these things here, these hooks, they don't fall because they go inside these holes, and when you're putting them back on, you have to actually hold up and put the nut on, because if you don't hold up, they fall out. This one in the back was really hard, so make sure you hold it in the hole and you screw the nut on while you're holding the rod, or else it'll fall out. And this is the bracket that holds everything, so you have to make sure it's super tight. You know, not crushing the battery tight, but you know, make sure it's very, very firm, and you have both. Don't do that. Don't touch the two together, because this is called a ground and that's the positive. So
do it again.
The red is the positive.
Do it again.
The red is the positive, and the black is the negative. So just tighten up these things and try not to touch any grounded thing when you're touching the positive. So that's it. That's how to change the battery in the Subaru Tribeca. 2013 Subaru Tribeca. Okay, thank you very much.